It was a Tuesday. The kind of Tuesday that feels like a Monday pretending to be chill. But something strange was about to happen. At exactly 12 p.m. GMT, a push notification went out to every smartphone, computer, and electric toothbrush across the globe. People gathered in streets, parks, office break rooms, kitchens, desert highways, subway platforms, airport lounges, and mountaintops. Even penguins in Antarctica waddled awkwardly into formation. 8 billion humans, give or take a few, bent their knees and launched themselves skyward in unison. Some people slipped, some forgot. One guy in Brazil tripped and landed in a cactus. Then came the boom. It wasn't an explosion, more like a deep, echoing thump. Car alarms went off in Rome. A mild tremor shook the ground in Nairobi. Drones in orbit detected a tiny wobble in the planet's axis. But for 1 second, humanity had done the impossible. We had moved as one, a shared second of airborne unity. People began smiling at strangers more. Even cats, normally so judgmental, seemed mildly impressed. In Central Park, a flock of pigeons panicked mid-air and began flying in perfect circles. In Sydney, a group of synchronized swimmers all fell out of rhythm. In Paris, the Eiffel Tower groaned slightly, not from damage, just existential confusion. And in space, a group of astronauts aboard the ISS felt a sudden, eerie silence as their instruments detected a global vibration from below. One of them whispered, "Did the planet burp?" Meanwhile, scientists were thrilled. Geophysicists analyzed seismic data. Social psychologists debated global cooperation. Conspiracy theorists uploaded videos about Bermuda Triangle portals. Spoiler, they were wrong. News stations buzzed with coverage. Anchors used words like historic, unprecedented, and kind of bouncy. Social media exploded with memes. Earth as a trampoline, Musk overshooting Mars. But perhaps the strangest result was psychological. For a brief moment, humanity had done something together. No borders, no politics, no likes or follows. People smiled at strangers. Governments briefly stopped arguing. Even cats seemed impressed. And then, life went on. People returned to work, to school, to scrolling through their phones. The world didn't end. The earth didn't crack. No parallel universe opened up, though a few insist they saw their alternate selves mid-jump. A week later, a second message appeared. Global Nap Initiative, everyone sleeps at the same time. Just do it, for balance. But that's a story for another day.